everyone, this is Peter from Shanghai EBASEE, and today I'm willing to show you some of our small solutions. This is a plug-and-play DC socket box which we customized for one of our Germany customers. Enter, I'd like to show you our function. This NC for connector is connected with the solar panel and DC rail, and the DC rail connected to the inverter. The inverter will change the DC current for AC. IC will be protected by this A0. This box is the core component of the plug-and-play photovoltaic system. For this changeover switch, you can change your government electricity or solar energy. So when sometimes the solar energy is weak, you can change the switch to exchange the electricity from the government. The inverter is connected within 3 sockets. We also have rich experience to make on for our customers. If you have any other customized needs, please just contact us. Thanks.
Smart Living. Green EBASEE.